Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI MSQE question paper of year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 9 and question number 10 from the same paper. So let's begin with question number 9. In question number 9, two dice are rolled. If the two faces are different, then the probability that one is a 6 is 5 by 6 or 2 by 3, 1 by 2 or 1 by 3. So in this case, two dice have been rolled and it is assumed that if the two faces are different, then the probability that one of the faces is 6 is given from out of these four options. So let's begin. Before that, we'll define two events. Let A be the event where the two faces are different. And B be the event that 1 is a 6. So the required probability will be P of B upon A, and that is given by P of A intersection B upon P of A. Now P of A intersection B is, suppose the first phase takes any value, takes a value 6, so that will be 1 by 6, and the second dice can take from 5 different values, that will be 5 by 6. Similarly, if the second dice takes from one value, that is 6, the first dice have to take from 5 different values. So this is A union B, and for the probability of the event where the two faces are different will be 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 6 for 6 different cases. So this will be equal to 2 into 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 upon 6 into 1 by 6 into 5 by 6, and this is equal to 1 by 3, which is the option D. Now let's move on to the next question. In the next question, which is question number 10, we have to find out the minimum value of x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 where x is a real number. The options are 1, 2, root 2 and none of the above. So we have to find out the value of this structure. So we'll assume that f of x, let f of x is equal to x square plus 2 upon root over x square plus 1. Now for minima or maxima, f dash x is equal to 0. This implies that x square plus 1 twice of x into root over x square plus 1 minus x square plus 2 into root over x square plus 1 upon by, in above we have x, so this gives us, this is equal to 0, so this gives us 2x into x square plus 1 minus x square plus 2 into x by x square plus 1 into 3 by 2. This is equal to 0, and this is equal to x cube upon x square plus 1 to the power 3 by 2, and that is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 0. Now f double dash x is given by x square plus 1 whole cube 3x square into x square plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 minus x cube into 3 by 2 into x square plus 1 to the power half into twice x. So this comes down to 3x square plus 1 into 3 by 2 minus x to the power 4 3 x square plus 1 to the power half divided by x square plus 1 to the power 3. Therefore we can write that f double dash 0 is equal to 0. Now for checking for maximum minimum further, we have to find out f double dash 0, f40. This is a time taking process. So what we'll do over here, we'll find out as x greater than 0, we'll find out the value of f dash x, and as x is less than 0, we'll find out the value of f dash x. Now we know that f dash x is given by x cube upon x square plus 1 to the power 3 by 2. So if x is less than 0, then f dash x, if x is greater than 0, then f dash x will be also greater than 0. And similarly, if x is less than 0, then f dash x will be less than 0. This implies that at x equal to 0, f of x is minimum. Therefore, the minima is given by f of 0, which is equal to 2 by 1, and that is equal to 2, which is option B. So today we have solved question number 9 and 10 from the ISI MSQE question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.